previous class we are going to make practice on how to multiply fraction, but now we are make practice on how to multiply fraction word problems. You seen it clearly. And word problems means that we have a proper statement, we analyze it, and after that we simplify. Just like in this worksheet you seen it clearly. Read each word problem carefully. Multiply the fraction as indicated by the problem and provide your answer in simplest form. Here we seen first problem is about cooking. Arsa is making batch of cookies. The recipe calls for 2 out of 3 cup of sugar. If she decides to make 3 out of 4 of batch, how much sugar does she need? You seen it clearly. 2 out of 3 times 3 out of 4. So 2 times 3 we get 6, divided by 3 times 4 we get 12. 6 out of 12. Now here you seen it clearly. Write your answer in simplest form. So 6 and 12 is common factor of each other. We just divide both sides on 6. 6 divided by 6 we get 1. And 12 divided by 6 we get 2. So our answer is 1 over 2. Understand?
Yeah.
Similarly, in second word problem, we seen Muhammad has 5 out of 6 of bag of fertilizer. He used 2 out of 5 of the bag for his garden. How much of the bag of fertilizer did he use? Here you seen it clearly. We just multiply 5 out of 6 times 2 out of 5. So 5 times 2 and 6 times 5 we get 10 over 30. Understand? And again you check that 10 and 30 is common factor of each other. That's why we divide both sides on 10. So 10 divide on 10 we get 1 and 30 divide on 10 we get 3. Understand?
Yeah.
And third one you seen it clearly. A painter used 4 out of 7 of gallon of paint to cover 3 out of 5 of wall. How much paint does he use to cover the wall? So here you seen it clearly. 4 out of 7 times 3 out of 5. 4 times 3 is divided by 7 times 5. 4 times 3 we get 12 and 7 times 5 we get 35. And all, if you seen it clearly, in each word problem you must face the last sentence. You seen it clearly. How much does he cover the all, and if she bakes, how much does she need? It means that a last sentence is our question. We simplify according to our last sentence, last statement. Understand? You have any question about this? You have any question about this?
No.
Good.
No,
So
no,
can you make
no,
practice
no.
on question number 4 or read the statement? Hurry up quickly.
Okay. Sahara is baking bread and need 3 or 4 tablespoons of yeast per loaf. If she bakes 5 and 6 of a loaf,
Good.
how much yeast does she need?
Good.
Okay, I
Sure.
got it. So 3 out of 4
Good.
times
Good. 5 out of
Time.
6. Which is equal to
Okay.
how much?
So 3 times 5 equals 15.
Good.
15. And 4 times 6 equals 24.
Good. I like it. You understand it very well.
So this is gonna be a 1 day.
Good. Excellent. Super. So further, you have any question about this?
No.
So can you make practice on the remaining questions? You know practice make you perfect.
Yeah. Okay.
Good. Hurry up.